welcome back to my channel. We are trying Lashify for the first time. I'm super excited about this product because before COVID and quarantine and shelter in place, I was getting my lash extensions done every 2 weeks. It was just part of my routine, and once we went into a shelter in place and all of the salons and everything closed down, I just decided to kind of give my lashes a break. I had continuously gotten my lash extensions done back to back. I just decided it would be a good time to give my lashes a break. We're going on 6 months of the salons being closed, and honestly, even when salons do open back up, I'm not too sure when I will be going back to get my lashes done once I feel, you know, safe. Ever since the beginning of quarantine, I had been going back and forth on whether I wanted to try Lashify or not, and I've had tons of my close friends and family who swear by Lashify, so 6 months later I decided to buy a kit and we're going to do a first impressions on it. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future uploads. So let's go ahead and dig into what I purchased. Let's start off with, I purchased the Control Kit, and I got the white Control Kit in bold. Let me just start off by saying, when I did get lash extensions, I'll probably insert some pictures here of me with lash extensions. I miss you. I would get full volume lashes. I like the look of long, thick, voluptuous lashes. When I saw the Control Kit, it wasn't enough lash for me, so I did buy some extra lashes, but let's see what comes in here. Instructions. This will be handy. Comes with little pads. This is what it looks like inside. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so I just pulled this out, and underneath is a, I think, a storage box for other lashes. So that's actually really cute and a good use of packaging. I really like that. So it comes with the Whisper Light, Flexible, Bond, and Clear and Black. The Fuse Control Wand, which I got the white set because it came with this like holographic wand, which I thought was cute. This is called their Glass, and it comes with, you can see me. It comes with some of their lashes, and yeah, it comes in this cute set. Honestly, contemplating just buying like this, but I thought that this set was cute because, one, I could want natural lashes sometimes, so I thought that would be good to kind of have some dramatic lashes and then some natural lashes. But I just like that it came with this case in case, you know, later on down the road when we are able to travel again, this would be really nice to travel with. So I did purchase 2 additional products on top of the Control Kit because when I was watching reviews and tutorials on how to do it, a lot of people mentioned that I think it's called the Whisper Light, which is basically kind of like the glue for the lashes. It will last 3 days for your extensions, and then people recommended these ones, which is the Night Bond. A lot of people said that the Night Bond will actually make your lashes last for like 10 days on, so I decided to get this to try it. And the Bondage with Charcoflex. So I think this is basically the last step after you apply your lashes and bond them, and this kind of just gets rid of the stickiness. And as for lashes, I purchased 3, and I got the EEs, which I think is like extra. I forget what the EE actually stands for. I think this is their most like dramatic lash. So it's really cute. It comes in like this packaging that you just, and when I used to get lash extensions, I used to have, like, if you guys know lash extensions, I would get like the 15 to 17 length, so I would get long lashes, which is why I wanted these ones. This one is EE13. As you can see, compared to the ones that the kit comes with, these are way fuller and wispier. I also got the EE15s. And lastly, I got the EE16, and these are the EE16s. So let's get started with the tutorial. Since we are doing a first impressions, I am just going to use the Whisper Light that the control kit came with. I will do an updated tutorial once I get used to using this, and like if I have any tips and tricks later on down on the road. So I'm not going to be using the Night Bond and the Bondage with the Charcoflex today. I'm just going to stick with what comes in the control kit. I'm just going to put the little plastic things that came with the control kit. It's to help bond or fuse your lashes together. So you just put it on here like so. And I'm actually gonna curl my lashes because my lashes are straight down. The first step is to start with clean lashes, which we already have. The second is to apply Whisper Light to the underside of your upper lashes. Looks like a liquid liner. We're gonna start with the 16s. So I'm just going to, that was easy. And then you apply the lashes underneath. I've seen some videos where you wait until the end. I've seen some videos where they say to fuse the lashes as you go. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to do it as I go and then also at the end. I'm just pressing the two together. Let's do another 16 underneath. Oh. Ah, okay. Uh-oh, I might have done the other one too low. Oh, it's like almost in my eye. I need to replace that. It was like almost in my eye. So this is the 15. And then we're gonna do some 13s. Oh my god. Shooketh. This might be dramatic for most people, but this length and this curl is perfect. So in total, I have 2 EE16s on the end, 1 EE15 in the middle, and then 1 EE13 in the front. And I think that's all that's gonna fit. So I'm gonna just bond everything again. Wait, how? Oh, like this. I know I look crazy, but I just want to show you what the underside looks like because that's what it looks like. I'm actually going to just do the other eye real quick and then I'll do the glass at the end. That's sideways. Literally sideways. I definitely started it lower on this side, so good to know. But also my left eye is my weird eye. It's like my wonky eye. I'm shook right now. Okay, wait, let me just do the last step. It's the apply glass to the underside of the lashes, focusing on the root. That's what the wand looks like. It has like a ball at the end, which I'm not too sure what that's for. I'm done, and I'm shook at how much they look like lash extension and how quick and easy that was. This was my first impression. Once I, wear this, test it out, try out the other bonds, test that out, I will be doing an updated video. I mean, honestly, I want to wear these for a while to really test it out for you guys, and I'll do like an actual routine and telling you what products I recommend. But honestly, my first impressions is I've watched a few tutorials just to kind of get a sense of like, is it really easy? And it's as easy as all the tutorials that I've seen. I mean, in the future, I will definitely be going back to getting my lash extensions on because there is gonna be a difference. Like the lash extensions last for weeks at a time. I don't have to do anything with it. These ones, even if they stay on for 10 days like they say so, you have to buy a new one. So in the future, I definitely don't think that this is taking over for my lash extensions. I think this is a really great alternative for right now for those who can't get lash extensions or those who don't want to spend that much on lash extensions. The first initial purchase of Lashify, it is a little bit pricier. I think the control kit just by itself is like $145. I'll put all the links down below of what I purchased. The initial price for Lashify, I will say, is a little bit on the pricey side, but honestly that's pretty much the same price as like if you were to get your first set for lash extensions. And I think each of these are $25. So in the end, this is a definite cheaper alternative to lash extensions with the look. These look very similar to what I normally get when I get my lash extensions done. Keep in mind, I think these are the most dramatic lashes you can get. There are definitely way more natural lashes if you're not used to or into this kind of look like I am. I'm really excited that I ended up liking this. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous because I think one of the reasons why I also put off purchasing it is pretty pricey. Like I said, for the initial purchase, it's pretty pricey. So I was scared that if it just didn't look good or if it didn't work out for me, like that's such a waste of money. But for me, this is very well money spent, and I definitely see myself using this for a while, especially since I probably won't go to get my lashes done for a while until it's safe. The ease of applying these lashes was so easy. Like I thought that I would have to like play around with it. And on a couple lashes it took me like a couple tries and that's it. And when I got to my other eye, it was like bloop, fuse, bloop, fuse, bloop, fuse. Like it was so easy. Based on my first impressions, I highly recommend this to all of my lash extensions friends. That I can't tell you how well they stay on, but just my first impressions and how they look, I think this would be great for the weekends because it looks so natural. And if they stay on as well as they say it stays on, these suckers ain't coming off. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe because I will be doing a routine and kind of follow-up of how I like it and the products that I use. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. It's my armpit. Let me just take a picture of this real quick for my Instagram, Much.